Hi guys, how are you? It's Pano. Okay, I want to see the companion knife we made. Okay, I want to try and I'm cooking, so we try the knife, and I also give you a quick recipe how I'm making this pasta dish over here. Let me see how this is. All right. Okay, so we'll see how this knife will cut the onion. I always like to hear some people telling me why you guys make all those curves on those knives, and what's wrong with plain old can you see this, with plain old designs. Well, we don't like plain old designs because these knives work better than the plain old designs. Okay, you see this curve? It's gonna go in here. Okay. Okay, all diced up. Okay, next step. Okay, put olive oil in the pot. And the garlic, we add the onion and the garlic. So, when the onions soften a bit, okay, green pepper, red pepper, or orange pepper works good. Baby spinach. Bundle like this. Okay, meat's ready. It's not pink anywhere. Okay. We add the tomato. crush them a bit. So pepper, paprika, and some sugar, brown sugar better. Mix again. It's like this. Okay, so while this is cooking, let's talk about the companion for a minute. The new changes. You see how much of like a tooth this is, and to me this is very, very important part of this knife. Why is it important? For one, when you're gutting, especially this knife, you can gut and skin. This is where this knife excels. Okay, skinning and gutting. Okay, see, look at the angle of my hands. Skinning. Okay, and starting your cut, and it's a wide blade. You can grab it. Okay, to do your animal claws and paws. Okay, to drill holes. Amazing knife. Now, the tooth. Okay, the tooth has many purposes. One, see, look when you peel or when you cut, how you can cut with the tooth. Okay, how you can start like this. And then when you want to continue cutting, it doesn't get in the way. because it's one bevel. It's just, this is pronounced. So now, when you're gutting your animal, you make your cut. This will ride nice, but some people rather have their finger in the bottom, which is a nice size for that. But also this knife, when you're going down the chest here, when you're opening your animal, this tooth is gonna assist you cutting the middle bone here to open the chest to go through skinning your animal. I did it on another bear, not the one I filmed, and this part to me was great. It cut the middle section on the chest like nobody's business. So this is why I said I want a little bit more, because how good that was. And it's a nice thin knife. It's a companion knife, but not too thin. Okay, it's got enough strength to pry things. Okay, it's got enough strength for self-defense. I love self-defense knives, you know that. And especially having this tooth for cuts. Okay, this makes it a dream knife. So yeah, I wanted to show you a little bit of the new upgrades we did on that. And I also want to tell you, even on the Elite, I'm changing a few things. I'll show you when that blade comes. All you gotta do is trust me. When I'm changing things, it's always for the better. When I'm changing things, that means I talked to William, okay? And we sat down and we talked about little bit different tweaking blades here and there after I tested it for a long time. Something you don't know is that, you don't realize maybe, is that those videos you've seen on the Elite, okay? This knife, I had it for months before you guys seen those videos. Those videos are old. Okay, I've tested this knife for months. And then I decide to go back and say, okay, I like it, but I want to change a couple of things. So it might not look exactly as you've seen it, but I want you to remember what I want those knives to be good at, okay? Remember the brackets I said. I want it to be good fighting. I wanted to do the game process. I wanted to chop all kinds of things, from trees to arms to, you know what I mean? I want it to be good on many things. So if I need to tweak it here and there, and when it's done, it's a little bit different. When you see it, you'll see videos anyway. When I get it back from William, that was A that you seen. We're gonna have B and C. Till you get the one I'm happy with, that you can do all the above very good. Not just me do it, I want you to do it. Not just me that I use knife for hours a day. I want you to be able to do it, that maybe you're not getting so much practice. Okay? So I'll put pictures at the end of the food we're cooking. It's ground meat and pasta anyway. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.